Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a bag swap between my Louis Vuitton New Wave and to my Chanel Chevron Mini. And inside I have a sunglasses, and then I have a 6 key ring. I have a Chanel card holder, and supposing this is my cell phone because I'm using my cell phone to film. And I also have a hand sanitizer and a Dior lipstick. So let's put it inside the Chanel Mini and see how it fits. But before that, let's open this base shaper from Walk Saver. It is from Walk Saver, but it's actually a base shaper for my Chanel Mini. So I ordered this since I'm so happy with my Walk Saver from my Chanel Walk. So I'm currently giving a giveaway of this Walk Saver base shaper. So Walk Saver is kind enough to team up with me, and we will give out 2 of these. And the draw date is on May 10. It comes with this base shaper, and then I can also turn it around to maintain its shape. So whichever is okay. So let's put it inside. So the idea is to just put it inside and it maintains the shape of your Chanel Walk or Chanel Mini. I haven't seen this in person yet, so I'm so excited to open it. So whoever will be the winner for the Walk Chanel Wallet on Chain base shaper on May 10, it will come to this, and it opens worldwide. So as you can see, it comes from UK. So there's the Queen stamp there, and it says Great Britain over here, and then the address is here. So I just removed my address in there. So we'll open this together. I'm so excited. So it looks like this. So it says thank you over here, and then so it's packed like this, and this is my Chanel Mini Walk Saver base shaper. So I guess they actually made this for the Chanel Wallet on Chain, and then they venture in making it for the Chanel Mini. They also have for Gucci and Dior, I think. So just visit the website at walksaver.com, so you'll be able to know if you want a certain base shaper for your purse. So let's put this inside. I'm actually thrilled to have it. So I still have a Chanel lipstick inside. So let's put it in. So I got the black. And it fits well. Oh, I'm so thrilled to have this. See, so I'm glad that it can maintain the shape of my Chanel Mini. And let's put the stuff from my New Wave to this purse. So I will put my 6 key ring Louis Vuitton, and then my Chanel card holder in here. I think I'll just have to put it like this. And then I'll put the cell phone, and then my sunglasses. So this is a slim Ray-Ban sunglasses. So it looks like this. And then I'm gonna squeeze in a hand sanitizer. I always have hand sanitizers as I have boys, so it's always in my purse. And I have my Dior lipstick, my favorite lip glow, and then I have a Chanel hydrating lipstick. So let's close it. this is actually packed. So there you go. So I'm so happy that I have this base shaper for my Chanel Mini. So I have it on my walk and on my Chanel Mini. And for those who still want to join, the contest is still open up to May 10, 2019. So 2 winners worldwide will be picked and it will be shipped to you directly from UK. Please refer to my video regarding the Walk Saver giveaway. It's under Stardust LV and you'll be able to know how to join in that contest. And thank you so much if you're gonna join, and good luck to you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. Bye.